got D-Dog pulled up.
I got D-Dog up, yeah.
All right. So again, he bought up through, had a buy stop at 91. He got filled at 92. The stock up a little bit higher, pulled back, but held, his stop was 87, so it kept him in. You got some positive news in his favor. He kicked some, and he's still trailing some. Great trade, I think, for that one. Next, we got this pins trade, Shake, that you called out through this 38. Yeah, this one pulled up.
Yeah, Pinterest, yeah.
Yeah. So, simple trade Shake called out, major level, bought it through 38, risk was $1, kicked some into those highs and got trailed out of some, and he still has some. So again, Heaven's been crushing it lately. And then lastly, we have this SQ, another one I believe Shake, you called this one out in one of the shakedowns. He bought this up through 156, stop versus 147. He moved his stop up to versus 161, and he's still trailing some a little bit more tighter, given that bullish engulfing that we had today. So again, Heaven, you're doing a great job and putting up some monster days.